Welcome back, weirdos. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are y'all doing today? I'm doing awesome. Thanks for asking. I've got some colors here sent to me by Sassy Mouth Dip Powder. I've done a video with them in the past. I'll leave that down below if you want to check out the first impressions, but she sent over some colors and I had this vision in my head. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you today how to do a very simple sugar nail in case you haven't seen that before. And we're going to do a little old-fashioned, old-school, classic Dotticure. I have been dying to do a Dotticure for years, and I don't know why I've never done it, but we're gonna do it today. So I'm jumping right in. I'm using my iGel Beauty Gel Base Liquid to apply my dip powder. If you want to use dip liquids, completely fine. You're gonna do the same thing essentially that I'm doing, but instead of using activator to cure each, layer and stuff, I'm gonna use my UV LED lamp. The lamp just replaces the activator. Everything else essentially is the same. So I'm going to do 2 full dips, or pour overs rather. I do not dip into dip powder when I'm using gel, and that's a personal preference. For me, I get like anxiety, like I'm afraid the gel, because it doesn't air cure, it lamp cures, and it's very movable. I'm just afraid that if I put my finger in the dip powder, I'm going to wrinkle up my gel and mush it around, and I like my application to be as smooth as possible for less filing later. So I'm just going to pour over twice for each color. I'm going to do 3 nails in the You Do You, which is this gorgeous medium gray, and then I'm going to do 2 accent nails. Let's be honest, they're all going to be accent nails today. It's that day. 2 I'm going to do with the white glitter called Glow Up. I did not know before the application that the white glitter was a glow in the dark. I had no idea, but I'll put a picture in towards the end of the video so you can see what the glitter looks like glowing in the dark. And it looks like broken glass. It is so beautiful. So I'm going to carry on and proceed to get this on 3 of my nails. And then I'm going to show you how I encapsulate without using clear dip powder. So I'm getting here now in what language is this? What do I know words today? I'm getting in now with the white glitter. I'm applying this the exact same way. This is an ultra fine glitter, so I'm not concerned with like laying my finger in it or anything. I'm going to pour over just like I did for the gray dip powder. But I figured while I'm doing that, we're going to chat. We're going to chat because I did a thing. Okay. As you can see, I am still wearing my Beetles full cover extensions. I've had them on for a couple of months now, and I've really loved the way they held up. Everything is perfect. I did a couple of backfills. I did film one of them, so eventually at some point I will post it for you. However, I have taken off the tippies. I was, I don't know if it's a me thing. Certain seasons, certain times of the year, certain nail art, I don't know, whatever you want to call it, I feel like is better suited for shorter nails. And in the winter, that's kind of my thing. Winter, I'm a short nail girl, so I am currently back to my shorties and really loving them. I forgot what it was like to actually type on my laptop like a normal human. I've been struggling. I'm just not suited for long nails. I love the way they look so much. I have loved rocking these extensions. If you want to see how I did the extensions, I'll leave that video down in the box for you. And I do love them. absolutely 100% hands down would put them on again, and I will probably towards this late spring into summer. I will reapply them so I can rock some super cool looking summer nails. But I'm loving my shorties again. So coming up in the very near future, you'll see me chop my nails off. And I'm back to shorties and kind of loving it. So you guys will have to weigh in and let me know. Do you have like certain times of the year where you like wearing your nails short, or where you prefer to have your nails longer? I know there are a lot of you that can't wear long nails because of the profession you're in or just your lifestyle in general, but let me know down below if it's a me thing. It very well might be. It might just be a me thing. I don't know. All right, so I decided to do my thumb. I didn't know what I wanted to do with my thumb, but you guys know I play favorites. My favorite color goes in my thumb in every single mani, and I love this gray with my whole entire heart, so I had to go ahead and get it on my thumbnail. So I'm going to go ahead, do 2 dips of that, and then we're going to get into encapsulation. Now, when I'm doing gel liquids, I do not like to use clear dip powder. For some reason, clear dip powder or acrylic, same thing, doesn't really get along with gel liquids. It makes it cloudy, grainy looking, just not super pretty. So instead, I use gel base coat. And I'm just going to do a thin coat over every single nail, give it a flip upside down for a second to level out, and then I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. Then I remove the tacky layer, file and buff. I'll leave that down below, but now I'm going to show you how to do a sugar nail. Super easy. I'm taking my No Cleanse gel top coat. I'm going to apply that to the entire nail, the 2 glitter nails, and then I'm just going to pour over that glitter one more time. Give that a cure for 60 seconds, dust off excess, and there's your sugar nail. That's the magic, and that's it. It is slightly textured. It does catch random things around your house, like little fuzzies, dust bunnies, pet hair, your own hair. It will catch stuff because of the texture, but I think it looks so beautiful. This one specifically reminded me a lot of like glistening snow, and the glow, wait till you guys see. Okay, so I'm going to start a Dotticure, but if you are trypophobic, if you don't like what little holes look like, please fast forward. You don't want to see this. But if you want to watch the Dotticure, here's how I do it. I got my white gel polish, that's baby powder from iGel Beauty, and I'm going to start with my dotting tool and make a line of dots going down what I feel like is the center of the nail. Then I'm going to go in with my second line just to the side, centering those dots in between where I put the first line of dots. I'm going to do that on either side of the nail. That's it. That is literally the Dotticure. And this reminded me a lot of like either a Christmas ornament or Christmas wrapping paper, but it's not your stereotypical Christmas color theme. So cozy winter meets classy Christmas wrapping paper. That's the theme for this mani, I suppose. I don't know. You guys will have to let me know what you think. But I'm going to finish up this Dotticure, and then I'm going to top coat, and I'll come back with my final thoughts. So here is the finished mani. I'm pretty obsessed. I love this mani with my whole entire heart. This is my new favorite gray dip powder. I need hey Jackie, I need a gallon over here of this gray dip powder. Stand by for the glow pictures. You guys are not going to want to miss it. Thank you guys so much for spending some time with me today. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Love you, bye.